Hello, math fans. Let's do a little bit of SAT review. This is Mr. Chu, and I have an SAT video prepared for you so that you can see if you can work a couple problems. So this is video 7, my 7th one in module 1, problems 12 to 13. Number 12 is analyzing the graph of a cubic and figuring out its zeros. Number 13 is writing and solving an equation from a word problem. And so let's get started with that. So I have several videos that are practice problems released by the College Board. Some will be easy for you, some will be hard. They all require background knowledge in algebra, geometry, and other math. Topics vary from question to question. So make sure you like this video if it helps you in preparing for the test. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and X for more math help videos. I've got lots of them. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I need more subscribers. It helps me push out my content to more people if I get more subscribers. And you can email questions to Mr. Chu, askmrchu@gmail.com. I will answer your question in the email if it's an easy answer, or I'll make a video and let you know that it has been posted once I get those questions. And I have posted some videos based on questions that people have sent me. So here are the two questions. You can pause this after you understand the question, see if you can work them, and then we'll see if you did them right. So number 13, it says this is the graph y equals f of x of this function. A, B, and C, and D are constants, and they want to know for how many values of x does f of x equal 0? Number 13, Vivian bought party hats and cupcakes for $71 each. Package of party hats costs $3 and each cupcake is $1. If Vivian bought 10 packages of party hats because she's having a really big party, how many cupcakes did she buy? So pause it now if you want to work them, see if you can do them right. And then when you start it up, we will talk about solving them. So the values where f of x equals 0, which is what it's asking, are where the graph crosses the x-axis. So where it crosses the x-axis, we're going to mark. Right here's one of them. Here's one. And here's the third one. So I have them marked with circles up on the graph itself. So where x is equal to -1, x is equal to 4, and x is equal to 7 are what's called the roots or the zeros. So how many are there up there? There are 3. So this wasn't really hard if you could figure out how to place those zeros up there. All right. So now let's work the word problem. Now the word problem may cause people a little more issues than what the other problem was. So she's spending $71 on hats and cupcakes. She's having a big party. She needs to write an equation. So the first thing you have to do when you're writing an equation from a word problem, you have to assign variables. So it doesn't matter what you use. I'm just going to say H because that's the pack of party hats. C for cupcakes. So I'm going to have H and C as my variables in there. And then we're going to have the 71 because that's how much they spent. And then we're going to have to figure out where to put the $3 and the $1 and the $10. 10 packages, sorry. So she spent $71, and each pack of hats costs $3, and each cupcake costs $1. So now we just got to figure out how to write those. So we're going to have the cost of the hats plus the cost of the cupcakes are going to equal the total spent. So we got 3 times H because they're $3 for each pack of hats, plus C because that's 1 times C, and they are going to equal 71. And we know she bought 10 packs of hats. So now we're going to take and we're going to substitute that 10 where this H is. So I got 3 times 10 plus C equals 71, or 30 plus C equals 71. Now we have to solve this. So we have to use inverse operations to move the 30 from the left to the right. And we use what's called the subtraction property of equality to subtract 30 from both sides. So my answer is 41. So she bought 41 cupcakes. So hopefully you got choice C for 12, and you got 41 for the amount of cupcakes. All right. So this was the next 2 problems in my series for Module 1. So while you're working these, make sure that you understand there are 27 in Module 1, 27 different problems, and they vary. Some of them are harder, some of them are easier. There'll be a link to the playlist that'll have all the other videos. It'll be located up in the upper left side if you're on a desktop. It'll be after the video if you're on a other device. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's the long YouTube link. And make sure you send any questions to askmrchew@gmail.com. And do me a favor, help me spread the word that Mr. Chew wants to help students with math questions. I use videos. I have curriculum called Bare Algebra, Bracket Geometry, and Tray Arithmetic, and I want to help you in math. So, my question is, are my videos helping you on the SAT? I'm hoping they are. These are the problems that are released by the College Board. Check them out, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Have a great one.